everyone, thank you for tuning in. This is my newest journal that I just completed. It is a soft cover this time. I used a file folder, double layered some Tyvek, and I've got fabric on the inside and outside, so should be a pretty sturdy spine. And I've got some pretty lace, some doilies that I crocheted, pretty picture. I love this fabric. I know it's kind of bold and wild, but it just matched the colors so well that I used in here. Now this is a sari silk closure, and the journal is 9 inches by 6.5. It's got 56 pages. So let's look inside. So again, it's got a fabric on the inside, and the digital kit that I used is from Louise. Oh my God, I'm killing her name. Louise Hensel. I am so sorry. It is called Hummingbird Dinner, and it has that lovely watercolor effect and also kind of like eco-dyed papers in the background. So I kind of pulled my colors from that, you know, the blues, the beige and browns and greens. So I've got coffee stained paper, I've got Lindy sprays, I've got stenciling and stamping, some sewing, lace and buttons, and a bunch of goodies. So here is a little journaling card. I did a napkin decoupage on that, and you can see a little doily design when I coffee stained it. Oopsie. So I've got some different stamping and some more doilies that I made. This is the little card that I collaged. And a little, I think that's a dove. It looks like a little dove to me. So it came out chunky, even though it's not a whole lot of pages. So, you know me. This is just a little flip out. I got some fabric there. Lots of little hummingbirds. And some ribbon that I ruffled up. Look how pretty her kit is. Another little, one's a dragonfly charm. Got some coffee stained lace. So I got some stenciling. And here's a little envelope I decorated. And this is just a little note to write on. So here's one of her beautiful tags that comes with the kit. And another collage tag. And I did stenciling and stamping on the backs of most of the cards. And some napkin decoupage. There's another one of her little flowers. This is just a collaged page that I did. I got some cutouts. This is another one of hers. And even that bird is part of it. It was like one of those banners. And I decided to collage with it. But here's a little pocket. This is embossed. And this has got that tissue collage on it. And here's some writing paper with collaged napkins on it. And a little doily back there. Look at how pretty that is. I got the blues trying to match, color coordinate. And here's one of the first pages that I collaged for the book. It really came out cute. This is one of her tags. And it's just some extra ephemera Here's one of those nature pages that I made. I've got, you know, the tea and threads and stamping. And I even got some cheesecloth in there. So this is one of her little tags. And so is this. And then I crochet that little doily. Here's some more of her little tags. Let's see that. That's another one. This one has dragonflies on it. So pretty. Here's just a little journaling card. A little Edith Holden there. Some stenciling. A little collaging. And this is her page in her pocket. And then this was one of her pages, and I just tore it down to do a little collage. I got some little lace there, and this is antique lace there. I made that. So this is just one of those flips. I'm not sure what you call it, but it flips and it opens and it's writing space, and I curled the little ends. Got dragonfly there. So pretty. There's a little tag. Got a little bling. And here's another little tag that I collaged. And I believe this was a packaging. Yeah. And here flips open for some writing space. And you got a tag here for some writing space. And it's so sweet. It's sweet. Here's one of these with a little thingamabobs, and you can use it at a tuck spot. Here is an envelope, the other side of that envelope, and another collage tag I made. Another collage. And here's a little flip out. That's another embossed, and that's Edith Holden. And you've got the cute little cameo buttons and rose buttons. And these little thingamabobs are from Tracy Fox. I don't know if you call them labels or what. Look how pretty that is. I love that. Here's another page that I collaged, and I added one of my doilies on it. Spread your wings and let your spirit soar. And these are the little coffee stains that I made with dunking my coffee cup into coffee. And did that. Here's another doily I made. Just a little journaling card. Here's another little tag. Some neck and decoupage. And some coffee stained over stencils. And I believe that's it. Look how pretty. So I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it gives you a little bit of inspiration. And thank you for watching. Happy crafting. Bye-bye.